What's up, guys? Good morning. Hello, how are you doing? I just finished up with the Chasing Epic weekend here in Brevard, and I am actually parked outside of the local Walmart that I found in one of the van life videos, using that again, and actually parked right next to me is my buddy Nate. He is on his way from Florida to Colorado, and he hit me up and he was coming through, so we are van life, and here, I'll show you. He's right there, boom. Him and the Previa. So anyway, I just wanted to pop in to say hello before this video. It's one of those videos that I told you guys I wanted to play around with. You know, it's going to be a little bit different. This is a idea that I've had for quite a while. The concept was called Shut Up and Ride. Basically, the polar opposite of a POV vlog. In this sort of concept, in this video series, if I choose to continue with it, there is no talking, there's no prelude, there's no introduction, there's no closing. It is just riding, and it's all third person, no POV, just getting down to it. And I actually, you know, I really enjoy certain aspects of both of these. And in this type of video, I really enjoy the sounds, and I've told you guys that in the past. I've had one other video pretty similar to this way back when, and I really enjoy the sounds of the bike, the sounds of the dirt, the tires doing, you know, when you brake and different things, the sound of gears shifting, stuff like that. I really and just the every now and then the stoked onomatopoeia. It's really cool. I like it. So I'm excited to hear what you guys think. Definitely leave me some feedback down below. Let me know your thoughts on it. And after today or later today, I'm going to start having my family and friends come into town. So I am trying to get ahead of all my work so that I can take 5 days and just enjoy myself, be off of my phone, be off of my computer. And I'm really looking forward to that. I'm excited for it. And then I'm going to hit the ground running as soon as that's over. So hope you guys enjoy the video. I hope you're doing well, and I hope you're excited about riding season, because it is upon us. We just had a fantastic time of our life 4 days here in Brevard. We got rained on. We had rode all the epic trails. We had an awesome group of guys. Shout out to all you guys that were here, and maybe even still traveling back home. And I did film some during that trip, but I didn't film like I normally did. I really focused on enjoying my time with these guys, and I think that paid off, because we just had it was such a good time. It was everyone's gonna remember those 4 days for sure. But that being said, we'll see. If I look at all the footage and I think that I can make a good video out of it, I will. If not, it'll just forever live in our memories. All right, enough of the chit chat. On to the video. Here it is. I'll talk to you guys soon. Again, don't forget to let me know what you think in the comments, because and also take it easy on me. You know, I'm experimenting. Like I told you guys, I just want the creative freedom to be able to try new things, and this is something new. So, all right, peace. it rolls. Yeah, bud. Yeah!
Yeah, sick.
Get in, get in. You okay?
I'm good.
Okay.
I'm good.
Yeah!
Oh yeah, that was it. That was wicked.
Go. Perfect.
Thanks, Brian.
Rock and roll, guys.